and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone System Tutorials. This video will be about incoming call block. The call block application in the cloud phone system can be used to block inbound or outbound calls based on the caller ID name, number, or the destination number. Here's how to create a new call block. First, go to Applications, then Call Block. To create a new call block, click the Add button at the top right of the call block list page. Direction. Select the direction of the calls you wish to block. Inbound for incoming calls, outbound for outgoing calls, extension. Select which extension the call block should affect. All means it will block to all agents. Name. Enter the caller ID name that should be blocked. Please note that an exact, case-sensitive match is necessary, but this field can be considered optional if a number is specified. Number, enter the country code 1 and the 10-digit number to block. For inbound calls, enter the calling party's number. Action. Choose the action to take if the name or number is matched. Options include rejecting the call, playing a busy signal, transferring to a specific extension, or to a voicemail box. Enabled. Set this to true or false depending on whether you want the call block to be active. Description. Enter a reason for blocking the number. After filling out these fields, click the Save button at the top right of the call block list page. Remember, setting up call block allows you to manage your calls more effectively. It helps you avoid unwanted calls and ensures that your communication system is used efficiently. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.